Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Listen to vlog videos, shopping, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there if you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot of new stuff. I'm so excited. So yeah, subscribe, grab a drink, and let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this Axe pizza cutter. How fun is this? Like, I had to have this. Like, I think this is hilarious, useful. So, we got that. Then we got the two Coke notebooks. We got the cherry Coke, and then we got the Diet Coke. So these are super nice, and they have it on the inside too. And obviously not just for back to school, but as an adult, I like notebook. I like to draw, journal, all that. So they're fun for that. Then I got this jelly pencil case. I love these. I got some last year. These are great for makeup and pencil, But we got this blue one. Then we got the no cheese treats. Is that how you say it? And it's just the squishy little like dessert. I did get some last year, and the glitter gets everywhere, so just be mindful of that. We got that one. Then got some bag charms. This is the bazooka one. And we have the icy one. And then we have the Heinz ketchup one. So those are fun. And there was more, there's like pickles and stuff like that, but those are the ones I wanted. Then we got this little like squishy notebook. This is from the back to school collection, but I found it after I filmed that, or like after I shopped, I meant. So got this, super cute. And then also got another clipboard. I got some last year, but I love these. These are great for anything, truly. So got me that. Then I found some Gotta Pops bubble fidget toys. So this one is a little shark. We have that one. And then I got the little like gaming console one because, just liked it. Then we got these Jersey Shore socks. Now, when I was younger, when I say younger, I mean like in like young teenager years, Jersey Shore was like just came out. It was like crazy. So when I saw this, I had to have them just for the novelty of it. So we got those. And I did get another cooling lip serum because this heat has been horrid. So I need another one of these. Then I got the lip plumper gloss in sheer red. I love the shade. And then we got the Shea Butter Lipstick Butter Bay in nude. So got that. And then on to the next bag. I'm like surrounded by my bags. On to the next. Next up, we got my favorite glow up contour, and this is in fair medium. Then we got by Little Spa, we got 6 foldable eyebrow shapers. This is a deal for 6. Then we got these notebooks. This one says Good Vibes, Born Wild, Roam Free. To this one. And then I have Bloom Usually Planted. How cute are these little sketchbooks? So we have these. Then these were a penny, but I'm still showing them in this haul because I don't have a big enough log to do it in all. But these gimme little hair clips were a penny. So, good deal. Then we got the Lip Sugar Scrub Watermelon scented. This is an oldie. I love this stuff. So we got this. Then we got the Puree Lip Plumper Gloss, just clear gloss. Love this. And we have the Caramia Pink Lip Plumper Gloss. The Cream Blush and Lip in Peachy. And then the Strawberry Swirl Gloss in the flavor Grape. So I'm pretty pumped about that. So that's up. Next bag. So we got these party favors and they're little squishies. How cute are these? Literally. So they're in the party favor section. So cute. Then, random, but I had to get some storage bags, so I just picked these up. Hopefully they work. Then, I got this really cute notebook, like the stickers that you customize yourself. Got that. Then, I got these little nail files with cases. So this one has like the bows and the cherries all over them. How precious. That one. And then we have the blue little bows. Then another penny find, but again, not enough to make a whole video. But it's the clean color lip in Heartbreaker. Yeah, just got that. Then we got the wacky lip balm, and this one is in blue raspberry, and this one is in green apple. So we got those two. Then, how adorable! SpongeBob SquarePants reusable makeup remover pads. You get two in here. They had they had two different SpongeBob Smurfs, and yeah, but how cute are those? You get two in here. So got those. Then Pacifica is a name brand. Vegan Silk Hydro-Like Conditioner Dry and Damaged Hair. Oh, I just dropped that on my computer. But anyway, Pacifica name brand conditioner for $1.25. Shook. So we got that. Then I finally found the Butter Bombs by Ioni. I've been waiting. So this one is in chocolate rose. And then we have milky candy pink ribbon. And then we have another chocolate. I know there's one more. I think it's raspberry, but we got another chocolate. So that's it for that bag. We have a couple more bags to do. Next up, I got another one of those clear little, what I label those, mesh zipper bags from like the school supply section because they are great. Then I got this notebook because Brooke was like, good 2000s baby, well done. That's me, so I was like, you know what, cute. So got that. Then I got this, The Reckoning, the nation's trauma and finding a way to heal from like the president and stuff. So got that. I'm not even gonna go into that. Then we got these sticky note sets from back to school. How cute are they? So we got those. Then I got this little beachy photo album from my beach pictures from vacation. Then I did get another set of these socks because they're so stretchy and you get 3 in here. So I got those. Then I did get the Jake Paul Deep Woods deodorant. I do like this deodorant. I know it's men, but men deodorant for me stays on and lasts longer than women's. I don't know why, but we got that. Then we got the diamond keychain painting set. We got this blue bow, and then we got the cherry. How cute. We got those. Then we got some squishy friends. So these ones are just little stars. This one is little globe. These are old. This one is just some smiley faces. And then this pen is just a little video game. So, super cute though. And our last bag. So, we got this dual lid chug sip water bottle. And these are $1.25 by the way. So I guess there's like 2 ways you can drink it. You can, I guess, I don't know, guess you can sip it like this, or you can use a straw. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, they have multiple different colors, and in my next haul, I'll show the rest. But yeah, so for those five, it's stainless steel. Or, yeah, it's nice. Then we got the finishing touch flawless, pure clean, cleansing, and makeup removal mitts. We had 7 mitts and a drying hook. I showed these a few hauls ago. These are great. So I got another pack of these. Then again, this is the Chili Sandalwood Pink Rose Hair and Body Mist. So for $1.25, I still think this is a steal. Not that. Then I found the White Mountain Pilates socks. It says Pilates and pizza on them. Super cute. And they are stretchy. That's what I was worried about. But I got these days. Also the black pair, but the black pair did not feel as stretchy, so I just got these ones. Then I got the little Game Boy keychain because it's fun. Then our 1 penny find are these sticky notes. It's an old penny find, but I was never able to find it. So now I found it. These are a penny. So fun. Then I got the Live in the Moment Mindfulness Journal. There's no lucky journal, scrapbook, all that, so I love these. So I got that one. And then, oh, not that one. Got this little cat notebook. How cute. And then I got these 2 planners. Time to get organized, and we got this. So, those. Then, like I said in the other haul, I had a pickle keychain, so I found it. I snagged it. And we finally got some new beauty. So, Mustang Beauty Premium Quality Foundation Brush. This is a different kind than the other one, but I like this shape, so we got that one. Then we have this Squashies Smarties Big Flavor Raspberry and Cream Swirl Lip Gloss. How cute is this, though? So we immediately got that. Then we got the Butter Bomb Butter Bay Lip Balm. This one is in Raspberry Berry Jam. We found chocolate and the other one in the other haul, so now we finally found the raspberry. Got that. Then this is an oldie, but I love this, so I saw it, I snagged it immediately. So the tinted lip balm, it works fantastic. So I got that. Then I found the What a Beaut 25 patches brunch date hydrocolor blemish patches. So how cute are these? We have this set. Then we have the brunch club patches. And then the Just Peachy. Oh, these are so cute with little fruits. I got those. Then I did get the warm nude lip pencil from the Butterplay collection to kind of go with all of the new butter bombs. So got that one. Then I got another milky candy one because I'm obsessed with this pink. Obsessed with it. So we got that. Then favorite collection. We found it again, so I got it. I got the Dewy Finish Gel Primer. I love this primer. Straight up good. So I got those. And then I got the lip oil because I finally found one that was like all the way filled, which never happens. So yeah, that is that. So oh yeah, that sent back. So I found a lot of goodies and I'm super happy about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I was on the hunt for, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.